Do you ever feel like you are constantly giving and giving and giving, but you're not receiving nothing in return? Maybe it's time to set better boundaries. First step in creating better boundaries is learning to say no. Saying no to commitments, requests that do not align with your values or goals can be empowering and freeing. It is important to clearly communicate your boundaries to those that are around you, including setting up those boundaries with friends, your coworkers, and even yourself. Self-care, it is a critical component for setting up and maintaining healthy boundaries. Make time for activities that bring you joy and recharge your battery. Those things can include exercise, hobbies, or simply relaxing and taking a nice bubble bath. Whatever floats your boat and recharge you, you need to be doing it. Remember, creating better boundaries takes effort and practice, but it's worth it. Start small, setting one or two boundaries, and work your way up from there. Remember that setting boundaries is a way to show respect to yourself and your needs. Take control of your life today and start creating better boundaries. Like this short clip? Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Follow us for more tips. Nurse Boss Consulting.